By default, when you upload a sketch with a head or face, Raspberry will generate randomized facial features. But there's a simple way to keep the same face across all your outputs: character consistency. The AI will use the face you choose in your results so your model stays consistent every time. I've already uploaded the sketch, so we can get started. Just a reminder, this tool only works if your sketch includes a head or face. If your sketch is headless, the tool won't apply. Here's where character consistency comes in. I'll upload a clear, front-facing image of the model I want to use. Here's the image I've made using Raspberry AI. I prompted for a red-headed woman with minimal makeup and a fresh, natural look. But you can also use stock images or your own photos. Now I'll add to my original prompt. A red-headed woman with freckles wears a tan, double-breasted trench coat, plain white t-shirt underneath, small gold pendant necklace, gray jeans. I can also use describe image and just add the character's description. By typing a red-headed woman with freckles, I'll align the ethnicity and hair color with the reference image. Then I'll click generate. You'll get 4 outputs, all featuring natural facial features based on your selected character. This method works just as well for menswear and kids' designs too. In this toddler girl example, I started with sketch to render and improved the face using character consistency for a softer, more age-appropriate result. Here's a side-by-side comparison. Now let's look at an option with menswear. I've run this sketch through sketch to render with a very simple prompt that only describes the clothes: gray hoodie, white t-shirt, jeans. The outputs all have randomized facial features. I've generated a headshot in Raspberry, and I'll use this character to update my sketch. I'll drag and drop the file into the character consistency box and update the prompt with a brief description of the character: a Filipino man with dark hair, and click generate. Raspberry will create outputs that follow my sketch and use the same face I uploaded. This is especially useful if you're working on a character or model you want to reuse across designs. And that's it. Using character consistency in sketch to render is a quick way to keep faces consistent and helps your renders feel more real than ever.